Paano nga ba maging isang freelancer? Sa totoo lang, there is no secret technique in becoming one. If you wanted to work from home or work part-time, doing services to clients here or internationally, or accepting multiple projects from different clients at the same time who can pay you well for your services with no long-term contract involved, then you are doing a freelance job already. It is much more like a side hustle dahil dito sa freelancing, they can pay you based on projects you completed or how many hours you spend in doing your job. What we need to know is how to attract clients and earn money as a freelancer, and this is what we're going to talk about in this video. So I will share with you my 5 ideas in becoming a freelancer in this year 2023. Syempre, these methods depend on what type of person you are. So the first method is making use of what is already right in front of you. This method is for people na walang budget to invest or lacking of resources. If you really wanted to try freelancing and get clients internationally, but you do not have laptop or computer to start, hindi ito hadlang para gawin niyon. You can do that by just using your phone. What you'll need to do is to find jobs that are suited for you right now. What skills you have, how much time you can spend, or what resources you have. Of course, the less you have, the lesser opportunity you will get. Limited lang ang options natin dito. So here are the examples of jobs na pwede mo magawa using your phone. So first is lead generation specialist. So your task is to market their products or services to other businesses until you close a deal. You will do this either through email, chats, and phone calls. I've done this one before twice in different companies and I do this through a commission base in a part-time basis. Ito yung pinakamadaling pasukin na job for me. This is always in demand and malaki ang kinikita dito. The job is challenging, of course. It will teach you to be a salesperson. It will enhance your marketing skills, especially your English vocabulary when you're doing phone calls. Ang mahirap dito is you need to be active based on your client's working schedule. Syempre, your prospects are from different country with different time zones and you need to contact them when they are online and active also. So, gising ako from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. to do this. Next is copywriting. It is a task working on writing words not limited to headlines, taglines, advertisements, sales pages, and any other marketing materials. May clients na hindi mahigpit on your equipments as long as you can submit your working materials completely and on time. The next one is proofreading. Your job is to review documents for grammar, spelling, and styles. So dito naman, you need to be great in English or any language you may proofread depends sa kung anong in-applyan mo. The next one is graphic designing. You will create visual concepts for businesses like logos, advertisements, posters, magazines, labels, or signages. You can also do this on your phone because there are lots of apps that you can use in doing this task. Next is data entry specialist. This is not limited to typing text like converting PDF to text because most of these projects are scam. Kung may makikita kayong ganito, this is a red flag. Never apply for this task. Data entry jobs primarily use word processing and spreadsheet programs. So, dito, mas maraming case ay yung nagpapatulong ng data entry using Microsoft Excel, lalo na kapag madamihang typings or transcribing. This is an easy task, basta practice your typing skills and multitasking. Last one is audio or video transcribing. So from the word itself, transcribing audios into text. Meron siyang ibibigay like audio samples for meetings, need mo yun i-convert into text. Or when you apply to several websites, may mga video na need pakinggan like conversations between people. Dito naman, recently, most of the websites ay di na tumatanggap ng English transcriber kasi nga sa dami na nag-apply. But if you have the knowledge in different languages, you can do it also. The second method is learn and go for free. Ito naman is meron kang computer, desktop, or laptop, but an older version, meaning yung specs ay mababa. Mostly, clients hire freelancers na magandang equipment na ginagamit. Kaya, before or during interview, inaalam nila what are the specs of your computer or laptop. Pero yun nga, wala kang extra money to buy that. It's okay, magagawa mo pa rin naman mag-apply as a freelancer with your computer. Siyempre, kung ano yung job na pwede mo magawa sa phone, better kung sa computer mo gagawin. Gaya ng mga nabanggit ko na certain jobs sa first method, applicable din to sa second method. Ang pagkakaiba nila is, syempre, mas convenient kapag mas malaki yung screen na ginagamit mo instead na sa phone. Mas makakapag-multitask ka din kumpara sa phone. Also, what I suggest you to do is to expand your knowledge about freelancing. The best way to enter freelancing world is to know your strength and what skill you can offer. Ito yung mistake ko dati. Nag-apply na ako ng basta-basta without mastering one skill. Ang dami ko nakalista sa resume ko but I cannot support it with my portfolio. Kaya advice ko sa'yo, know your skills muna before applying. Kung gusto mo maging graphic designer, then pag-aralan mo on how to do that. Maraming videos about that sa YouTube or information sa Google. Isa pa, there are so many free seminars na nagliliparan sa social media platforms like Facebook. Grab mo yung chances na yon. Basic nga lang yung mga dinidiscuss nila at least nagkaka-idea ka on how freelancing works. Sumali ka sa mga Facebook groups for aspiring freelancers. Build ka ng relationship with them because connections are great, lalo na kapag maghahanap ka na ng client. Choose one skill na alam mo gusto mo talagang gawin buong araw at alam mo na kaya mo. Para once na makabili ka ng right equipment to use, at least you are prepared and focus ka na lang into getting clients. The third method is to build your profile in any freelance services marketplace websites. So there are a lot of websites that you can find clients online. And what is good about this is these are not limited to local clients but also internationally. So whatever their country is, you can reach out to them and apply as one of their freelancers. So first, search for your desired platform. Open an account there and fill out important details na gusto mo makita ng mga prospective clients mo. Building your profile is like writing your resume, so it needs to be clear and concise and of course, look professional. If you wanted me to discuss this further, I can also do that in a separate video. Here's the list of freelancing websites that I use, although marami akong tinry na iba, but this I recommend kasi mas beginner-friendly siya at napakadali makapag-interact sa clients. So the first one is Upwork. Dito, mostly one-time project-based or task-based ang ina-offer kasi karamihan sa mga client naghihingi lang ng assistance. But, meron ka pa din may encounter na naghahanap ng long-term services like being part of their company. Mostly ay virtual assistant ang hinahanap. Dito din, when you're applying, you need to bid for that job post. And then, tsaka ka maghihintay if clients will reach out back to you. Nahirapan lang ako dito kasi as a beginner, napakahirap makipagkompetensya sa mga professional na talaga. Like yung mga freelancers na may positive reviews na o nagniningningan na yung work transactions history. So, as a beginner, nakaka-intimidate. But, laban lang hanggang sa maubos yung connects mo. Hindi naman ako nasisiro kasi may mga clients pa din na nakakapag-reach out sa akin pabalik. Means, I still have the chance of getting noticed even I am a beginner. The second one is LinkedIn. So, it is like a Facebook but more on a professional account. Yung mga posts na makikita mo dito ay galing sa professionals, business owners, or CEOs ng mga naglalakihang kumpanya. This is a great place to get noticed and build connections. So, you need to build your profile there to attract clients or companies. May iba kasi na kapag nagustuhan yung profile mo, your qualifications, experience, or skills, they will try to message you and say, apply for this job in our company kasi I think you're a good fit. There is also an option to search for a job. Kapag gusto mo mag-apply in a certain role, search mo lang yung job and your desired location if you wanted to get a client from different region or you want to work full-time or part-time or even work from home or on-site, you can filter your search with this at lalabas yung desired job mo. Next is the onlinejobs.ph. This is my favorite of all job hunting sites. Dito kasi, mas beginner-friendly, lalo na sa mga taong walang experience when it comes to freelancing. May mga company kasi na nag-hire ng individuals with no work experience needed. Ito yung sinasabi ko na type of clients at tumitingin sa skills mo or personality mo. They will test your skills and how your mind works. Medyo strict lang talaga sa onlinejobs.ph when it comes to building your profile because you need to present an identification card and wait for them to verify it. You can see a figure na makikita mo below your profile name and that is your ID proof. Sometimes, it needs to be higher and better if 100. Kasi minsan, companies question you too about why is your ID proof like that? Kasi ito yung way nila to verify that you are a real person and not a scammer. Marami pang ibang sites na makikita mo sa Google. Just type freelancing job sites. Lalabas na yung lahat. Just explore kung ano yung mas prefer nyo, then go. Try and try. The more you have your profile scattered around any platforms, the more possibility na maraming clients ang makakakita nun. The next method is enroll in training programs. Marami nang nag-offer ng freelancing training programs ngayon at usually makikita mo ito on Facebook. They will give you basic understanding of how freelancing works and then actual results if ever mag-enroll ka sa kanila. Kung gusto nyo ng madali ang process on how to become a freelancer and how to get clients easily, I recommend to use this method. Training programs are costly but very beneficial to you. Halos lahat na kasi matututunan mo dito. Especially they share with you their techniques on how to get clients so easily. Hindi lang yan, some programs also give you a lifetime consultation. Meaning, may mentor ka na to help you in this journey. Meron din na nag-o-offer ng referral to different freelancing agency or companies after you completed the program. What is also good about this is that it only takes weeks to master freelancing and grow your skills. Although I never tried this before dahil I don't have enough money to enroll, even if I wanted to do it because of the certificates and bigger opportunity. Kaya maswerte ka if you have the fund, you can easily get into starting your freelancing career. The last method that I will share to you is build your own business pages. It can be on Facebook or Instagram or website or any social media platform showcasing your skills. Invite your friends to support your business page to make it look more noticeable and interesting. This will also help you to present yourself, not just showing your skills. In freelancing, you are the brand of your own. Everything about you matter. So be sure whatever you post, it originally comes from you. Gawin mong habit ang mag-post daily and share it to one of your career profile in any job hunting sites. This is a great method to present your skills, knowledge, and thoughts about the job you're applying for. So halimbawa, if you are a copywriter, show your copywriting skills through your posts. Remember to always increase your chance of being found by many to get the right client for you. So again, these are the 5 methods on how to become a freelancer. First is to make use of what is already right in front of you. Second, learn and grow for free. Third, build your profile in any freelance services marketplace websites. Next is enroll in training programs. And the 5th one is build your own business pages. So that's all for this video. Sana you learned something and listen. Don't get scared to start. We are all once a beginner. Just don't stop learning about it and grow your skills. If I can do it, alam ko kaya mo rin. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!